What's going on, everyone? My name is Chris. I am here with Kathy and Reese, and we go by Ginger Marvin on Instagram and YouTube. It is Friday. We have another video for you today. We spent this morning, yesterday we didn't go out on our normal kind of like whatever we want to do day. We ended up working in the office. So this morning we ended up going to the Parade of Homes, which is kind of I don't know if is it everywhere? Is Parade of Homes? I feel like it's got to be some other places. Basically, they just put all these houses on. It's like a huge open house week or couple weeks, and it shows you can go and see like multi-million-dollar homes, and that's what we kind of did this morning. We walked through 3 homes. 2 of them were like multi-million, like 4 million and 2 million. I'll put some clips here as I am talking, and just awesome houses. And we had to ride up this huge driveway to get to one, and that was kind of fun. But that's what we did this morning. So after we did that this morning, we came home and we've got some work done. We've been working. We measured some clothes. I still got to put stuff away.
My load of junk.
Yeah, look at the table. The table, we haven't seen that table in like months.
No, it's all just in here, but it's all photographed and...
Now I just got to fold it up, but don't drop that.
I know. It's mostly all not listed, but it's all typed out and it'll be listed quickly.
Photographed, listed, not listed, but ready to be listed.
Chris has to bag it for me.
Yeah.
So yeah, there's that.
And yeah, I've been editing a video, got today's video edited and ready to go out. Kathy's been over here watching the new Let's Do Lunch podcast featuring Angie Resells, Kristen over at Rural Squirrel, and Rachel Strickland. So have you been liking? I haven't been able to listen to it, so I've been editing.
Just like as I was typing out all my listings.
Yeah.
I'm 53 minutes in, so just nice to have something to listen to where you don't have to I don't know, thrift videos and stuff feels like you have to kind of watch what they're having, but this is just you can listen
and work.
You don't have to see them, so
very nice.
I've been enjoying it, so yeah. This was their first upload, so if you like podcasts, if you like reseller stuff, go check them out.
If you're tired of all the beardos, I did hear that part, right? all the men podcasts, right? Go check out the ladies over at Let's Do Lunch. So let's get picking. It's been a few minutes doing our intro. We've got some sales. It is Friday. I think we are going to include tomorrow morning's sales because we kind of wanted to get our shipping out tomorrow. Right? I
mean, I guess it depends. Let's see how long it goes.
I guess let's see. Nothing's ever written in stone, right?
I mean, I wouldn't mind doing shipping in the morning. It just, you never
sometimes
know
our Saturday mornings do get hectic.
Saturday morning. So and knowing that our post office on Saturdays we only have till 11:30 just feels like a rush.
That's true. It kind of adds stress where we don't need it on a Saturday.
It's not a holiday weekend, so I'm not as feeling as pressured.
Okay.
So what I sold today so far is these Spanx jeans, and I actually I got 2 pairs. They're basically exactly the same. So this is the first to sell. Sold for $49.95 plus ship. I paid $9.99. So really
very nice flip. Yeah.
Love Spanx. They always sell fast and for good money. Those are going to go on a padded flat rate. And then in box H, I sold some Echo shoes. These are just some my green leather lace sneakers. Bought for $12 at Plato's Closet. Sold for $38.47 plus shipping on eBay. It's funny, I barely had any sales this morning, when we woke up, and then just had 3 or 4
sitting here working. We've had a bunch come in
on eBay. Yeah,
it is nice when Kathy's sitting here doing her thing, I'm sitting over there doing my thing. We both get the notifications on our watch, and we just kind of look at each other and we're like,
dancing while
Kathy does her happy dance.
So this little Princess Peach Mario part of a costume. Bought this at a garage sale over the summer for $2. Sold it for $15.96 plus shipping on eBay. That's going first class. I do need to find a box. It's not heavy, so it's still under a pound even with a box, I know, but I need to find one.
So with first class, you cannot use these priority mailboxes, so that's why we have to find our own box.
Yeah. I didn't write down where I put this item, so we'll do that after. Actually, I think...
Do you remember when?
I think they're up here in this box thing. Well...
You need me to get it?
Sure. You want me to hold it?
Is it the Smart Wool box?
Yeah.
Like our system here, huh?
Very useful. Look at that nice sticky note. Smart wool tops.
Hey.
Yeah, so I have several of these.
Here, let me. You're just like looking at a wall there. We'll have to train her in the camera duty soon. All right.
Anyhow, yeah, I had several of these, and I think all of our inventory was full, so I didn't put them in boxes yet, but I probably will now that we have more space.
Yeah.
Anyways, this was a retail arbitrage item for $25, and I sold it for $49.45 plus shipping. I think I made about $17 profit, so
Okay.
that's not bad. I mean, it's smart wool, so like I wasn't worried about it not selling.
Right.
If anything, it'll just give my store a boost, I feel like, especially through the winter.
Yeah.
Because smart wool is something people are always looking for.
We did have that question come up in our live last night. What do we think is a good ROI on retail arbitrage?
Yeah, and I mean, I like to say double your money, but on a $25 t-shirt, like making 25 on a 25 buy would be really awesome, but I didn't expect that. I honestly, because I had so many, I was like, if I can make $10 each, one listing, they're all size small.
Yeah.
I thought that'd be good enough, $10.
Right. It kind of fluctuates, right?
Store a boost and stuff. So.
Like if you only have a quantity of 2, you probably want a higher ROI.
Yeah.
Because you're doing this, more work relative to what you're selling. If you have 50 of the same exact thing, I'd be like, give me a couple bucks each or whatever.
I have 10 or so, at least of the stripes. So if I made 10 on each, that's $100. One listing. I have to bag and put them all in it's basically less than an hour of work. I'd make $100. Yes, I had to put a lot of money up front to buy the tops. But.
And it does sit around a little bit. So, obviously you're not going to want to do that if you are limited on how much you can invest at one time in your inventory. So it's really the right answer is whatever works for you.
Right? To you. Like not everyone can obviously pay $500 on some retail arbitrage purchase.
Yeah.
But if you can, it's an easy way to make some easy profit. All right, these are some fit flops. Really nice pair. Why am I looking at this instead of the label? I just bought these a few days ago for $7.99. Listed them for $39.95. Set an offer of $35 the first day, and they sold. So probably could have waited, got the full price. But, sandals. I mean, it's September, so I'm wanting to sell the sandals fast. Okay, DM. Ooh, don't fall on my head, nothing.
This is the box.
These are some Beezy's sandals. I bought for $6.99 and sold for $26.95 plus shipping.
Beezy's? Is that what you said? Nice.
Beezy's. I think that was eBay. So they're under £1. They're just going to go out in a mailer. That was another question we got. Do people complain about their shoes being in mailers?
Right.
No. I can't think of a time I've had anyone complain about it.
Not like bad feedback in the at least, right? I don't know. Yeah, I can't even think of a single time.
Not that they complain about the shoes being in a mailer versus, nothing's gotten damaged to where anyone said anything.
I almost feel like the post office handles poly mailer packages more gentle than boxes.
Look at that guy. Look at that guy.
You want to tell me, Rub? Is that what you're doing? You tell me, Rub? Good boy. He was snuggling that. Oh, you can stay there.
Thanks. Sit down.
He was snuggling his Reese Bear there pretty hard a few minutes ago before we started recording.
Yep. He was really cute.
Yeah.
This is actually going out to our viewer, Debbie. Thank you so much, Debbie. It's like a Lego replacement pack, I believe. I found it at the bins, and it was Lego, so I was just like, why not? It basically weighs nothing. I put my cost of goods at 0. I didn't count this in all the items I got that day just because I was like, I don't know if it'll ever sell.
Right.
I'll take a chance. So, Debbie bought it for $4.76 plus shipping. That's pretty good.
Sweet.
I think that's
Debbie, thank you so much for the purchase.
Yeah.
I'm going to play some Legos soon, huh? I think what it actually is anytime you buy a pack of Legos, does this have a number on it?
It did have a number, but when I put it on eBay, it didn't really come up. At least
Sometimes, you'll get a set of Legos, and it'll have 6 or so, little packs of bag, and then the instructions will be okay, this is from this bag or whatever.
Yeah, I couldn't figure out what set.
We couldn't tell what set it was from. Yeah, we tried doing a little research,
but some people just buy Legos by the weight or by the
Yeah, miscellaneous Lego. Yep.
Yep. I guess I knew it would sell. I just,
Yeah.
why not make $4?
It's an easy thing. You take a couple pictures and say random Legos, right?
Thank you, Daddy. We'll put
Thank
that
you
in
so
a
much for that support.
little ghost mailer. All right, DR.
The doctor. Doctor's in the closet.
Boop. These are just some Fabletics men's joggers. Bought for $1.02 at Bins and sold for $15 plus shipping on Mercari. Those are over a pound, so they're going UPS SurePost, which means I'm gonna put them in a poly mailer. You think they'll fit in a regular size poly? I don't know.
Maybe.
Try it.
Maybe. If not, we'll bump it up to a larger mailer.
So, all right, and lastly, BP. Got some cute little baby boots, bought for $10, sold for $30 on Poshmark.
Sweet. What was that noise? What's wrong? All right, so that's what we're gonna get working on packing up real quick, and then we will check back in a little bit. You getting the box for that?
Square boxes in it? Is it? No.
Like the square?
Yeah, just like the square. If not, maybe just a regional, it'd be fine.
Oh, throwing boxes. Anyway, we'll get this stuff all packed up, and then we'll check back in with you guys.
All right.
All right, guys. Got everything all packed up. Did a little montage there. I know you guys like when we do that. Some of you, at least. If you don't like it, nobody's said they don't like it yet. But yeah, not too much going out, but hey, it's makes for an easy day. Let us go out and...
Say I'd like to have 10.
Yeah?
I only got 9.
9?
The day is
okay,
ruined.
you have 4 minutes to make another sale.
All right,
okay?
let me try, okay? We'll pop back in here if I do. It's 316. Let's see. Do I have anybody I can send an offer to? Oh, I have 3 offers available on eBay.
If you guys are trying to be proactive and get sales, this is what Kathy does.
So let's send offers.
Sends offers to all the watchers on eBay.
I usually result. I mean, I only have 3. If I had like 10, I'd probably get 1 sale from it.
Yeah.
I don't know that I'm gonna get 1 sale from this many.
Okay.
Anyhow.
Yeah. So how are you feeling? Do you want to add in tomorrow's? Should we leave it open?
What if nobody buys it?
What if nobody buys anything? Then we'll just end the video here. I'll just do a closer tomorrow and be like, hey, we suck.
Nobody
we didn't have any other
anything.
sales.
Yeah, we'll just add in the morning.
Yeah.
I like shipping.
If we don't, we'll just go ahead and do a different closer and all that stuff.
I felt something is just a Target notification.
Oh, you thought you got a sale? Yeah. All right, guys. So, as of right now, we're going to check back in tomorrow and see what sold for us Saturday morning. And we'll not add it to this because this is going to go out today, but we'll add it to our sales total. So, we'll see you then. All right, so we decided not to do shipping on Saturday morning. So we did have some sales. We're just going to put those on the next video. So guys, we're going to end it here. Thank you so much for watching. Thanks for all of the support, and we will see you guys in the next one. Bye.